Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be rating Rubik's Cubes. Just set it out. Let's just take them out real quick. We're going to rate them. You can rate them on your own in the comments if you want to. Anyways, first off, my Rubik's Cube. It's just a nail polish on it. And it turns like this. Ouch, that hurts. Put what you guys think in the comments. I honestly think this is like a 2 out of 10. Actually, kind of sounds nice. I like a 3 out of 10 or so. Next up, we have Rubik Cube. It's really fun to just like rub in your hands. Sounds like this. I think this is like a solid 4 out of 10. It's not that bad. Now we're getting to the good ones. Mirror Cube. It's honestly kind of hard to turn because it's so shapeshift that like you can barely even turn it. Shoot, I forgot. So stupid. Corner cutting test. Awful. That loses a point. So it's a 2 out of 10. That's kind of hard to turn because you have to get it right. There you go. I kind of think this is like a... Alright, let's test the corner cutting. No corner cutting. I was going to give this a like 5 out of 10, but now it gets a 4 out of 10 for no corner cut. Going to the good ones. My 4x4. Turns really well. My mom got it from Temu because she's kind of short on me. It's the only stickerless Rubik's Cube that I have besides the horrible turning one. 6 out of 10. Corner cut. No corner cut. That loses a point. 5 out of 10. Next up, my 2x2. It feels extremely small in my hand. I don't know. The feeling of it, like a 7. Corner cut. It can corner cut. Look. There you go. Corner cut. If it gets a corner cut, then that gives it a point. So right now it's at like 8 out of 10. It's just a turn. Awesome. 8 out of 10. I'm making a video. Scurry on. Now the 3x3. My sister always tries to make none of the colors touching on this Rubik's Cube, but there's a way. Middle up twice. Middle up twice. Middle up twice. As you can see, none of the colors are connected. You want to try this? I'll post a tutorial later. It's just the corner cutting. No corner cut, loses a point. I think I was going to give this like an 8 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Turning. Seven out of 10. Okay, now the last one. You can actually do tricks on this. You can like do this, for example, which gives it a point. It's like, honestly, this is the only one that I can solve. So I can solve it. That gives it a +1. I think I'm going to give this like a 6 out of 10. But I can solve it. And I can do cool tricks that other Rubik's Cubes can't. Give it +2 points. I don't think I can corner cut on this thing, but I can try. Sadly, it doesn't corner cut. I'm sorry, but it loses a point. No. I got a 7 out of 10. 6 out of 10. Just like I said. One fun thing that you can do is like make sure none of the corners are the same on any side. Like this. And then you just got 1 to 2 of them. And go like this. 6 out of 10. I don't know which one was better. You guys put it in the comments. And I'll read them in my next video. I love you guys. Have a good day. Now have an awesome day. Today is it's a 3-day weekend. So it's gonna be long. Anyways, bye bye. I love you guys. Adios. See you later.